Oppo has long been known for their selfie game, and they just launched the newest addition to their lineup, the Oppo F7. Here it is, Oppo's newest mid-ranger and selfie master. The flashy scarlet glass back screams for attention the moment you take it out of the box. It feels solid and sturdy, unlike many mid-rangers, but it isn't waterproof. Not only is the outside red, but the phone's icons and backgrounds are also red. Only the fingerprint is an exception. It's orange enough to trigger your OCD. The first thing we see in the box, aside from the phone, are some instructions and a see-through case. You're probably gonna need it since the back becomes a smudge fest in seconds. There's another information guide right below it and a SIM ejector tool. The included earbuds have a single button for AI assistant activation. There's a USB cable and a wall adapter, but it's not a VOOC one, so there's no quick charging here. The screen has a 1080p resolution and a notch. Unfortunately, it overlays full screen content, unlike other Android phones with notches, so it's a bit harder to ignore. The new MediaTek Helio P60 chipset should run as cool as competitors like the Snapdragon 660, and on first impression, the phone is quite snappy. Even the camera launches without any lag. The F7 comes with either 4 or 6 gigs of RAM with up to 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. There's also a card slot. Oppo is still sticking to a micro USB port instead of a USB-C one, but at least there's a headphone jack as well as an FM radio on board. There's a single 16-megapixel camera on the back of the device. Initial photos seem clean and detailed, but we'll put the camera to the test and see how well it really does in the full review. Videos seem less promising as the F7 only shoots up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The 25-megapixel selfie camera can also shoot in 1080p, and photos seem almost as good as those from the main snapper. That's not surprising since Oppo hails this as a selfie smartphone. The Oppo F7 is a fiery option for those looking for a mid-range device, but whether it's as good as it looks remains to be seen. Stay tuned for our full review and leave any questions you might have in the comments below.